Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy golden shrimp toast at home with this easy recipe, packed with delightful shrimp and perfect for appetizers or snack. First, prepare your garlic. We need half teaspoon chopped garlic. I'm preparing a lot more here because I'm preparing for other recipe too. Then cut all sides of your white bread to make a rectangle, leaving only the white part. Typically, I like to buy the bread from a bakery. I think it tastes better than mass production store-bought bread. Set aside. In a food processor, put 200 grams already peeled and deveined shrimps. Then, using a food processor, making sure that the shrimp turn into a paste. You may need to clean the side of the food processor halfway. Now, this is the consistency that you want. See how it forms into a ball in the food processor? Transfer the shrimp paste into a bowl. Separate the yolk from the white from one egg and set aside. Add 1/8 teaspoon each salt and white pepper, half teaspoon chicken powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, add 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, half teaspoon chopped garlic. Add half of the egg white, add 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix the shrimp paste thoroughly. Now it's ready for assembly. Watch how I make it. You want to spread the shrimp paste evenly on the bread, making sure to cover the top surface. Continue spreading the bread until the shrimp paste is finished. Pour some white sesame seed on a plate. This is the sesame seed brand that I like. Then dip the bread onto the sesame seed, making sure to cover all the shrimp paste. You can sprinkle the area that is not covered. Heat up oil in the pan. To find out whether the oil is hot enough, stick a wooden spoon. If it sizzles, the oil is ready. Fry the bread in the oil, shrimp side down. Fry until golden brown and flip. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to create more videos. To my subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thank you all for being part of this journey. Flip it one more time, then take it out from the fire and drain on paper towel. Let it cool slightly and cut into triangles. Your shrimp toast is ready. Thank you all for watching, for your support, and I see you next time.